Whoops, try lang, cinematic intro. Anyways, what's up vlog and welcome back to the channel. Mask. What's up vlog? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry guys, walang vlogs for the past 2 days. Tuesday at Wednesday wala tayong daily vlogs kasi you know, I'm a dad. I'm a father of 2 kids. I have to take care of them. Kasi ang dami naming orders sa cafe, sa Mommy Bunny Cafe. So, and my wife is the one who bakes. Syempre, if my wife is busy, who's gonna take care of the kids? Ako, diba? So, ganun lang. Give and take. Hindi naman siya araw-araw. Hindi naman lagi araw-araw may orders. So, give and take lang. That's the key to success. Anyway, so susundin ko muna si Jomar and we're gonna get on with the day, yo. Let's go! No texting while walking.
May palabas din yan. Kaya lumabas na.
Sana all. Oh shit. Sino. What's up vlog? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another series of Hidden Gems of Batangas. In today's episode, it's really something special. We have a very special guest. He's foreign. He's from Finland. Let's all welcome Tommi Mäkinen. So why does our foreign guest have a foreign name? His first name is Tommi. His last name is Mäkinen. Tommi Mäkinen EVO. So guys, behind me right here is one of the rarest EVOs in the world. This is the Tommi Mäkinen EVO. And I can't wait to show you guys. So this car is actually owned by the Buquid brothers, particularly Marc. As we all know, this car made it to the channel kasi Hidden Gems of Batangas, dapat legendary ka din. So if you guys don't know, the Buquid brothers is one of the first to be on the racing scene here sa Batangas. So napaka-legend na din nila. And I'll show you guys something here. Way back, I heard a lot about the Buquid brothers. They ran a shop back then called Autokeep Racing, which still stand up to this day.
There was no Facebook or internet, it was just the word of mouth. They were running their famous Buquid brother hatchback. I just can't remember what the engine was because I was just a kid at that time. But one thing I knew for sure, it was hella fast. When you say drag racing, you mean Buquid brothers. From illegal to legal races, you name it, they win it. Fast forward a little bit, I got my hands on the camera and got to ride shotgun in that famous hatchback, driven by Jun Buquid, the brother of Marc Buquid. And now, I can't believe I'm doing this series and showcasing one of their heading gems. I wish I could have shown you their hatchback, but it was sold, and I witnessed that too. I just didn't have the camera. Damn it.
So you saw that. So napaka-legend ng mga Buquid brothers, and now they drive this legendary Evo right here. And I can't wait to show you guys. Let's go. What's up, vlog? So kasama ko ngayon si Zander, yung son ni Marc, and it's gonna do a cold start for us dito sa Evo natin na TME edition. Let's go, bro! Smile! Yeah! What's up? Speaking guys, ito yung kapatid. Sakto, lumabas yung kapatid. Yeah!
Tommi Mäkinen edition.
This is actually my first time riding on an Evo, let alone a TME. Tommi Mäkinen. First time on an Evo, tapos TME pa. Shit. What's up, brother?
Bakit feeling nung naka-Evo na?
First impression mo nung nakuha nyo to?
Talagang ngiti-ngiti. Masaya.
Like, naisip mo ba na one day madadrive mo tong Evo nung dad mo?
Hindi, kasi dati iniingat-ingatan niya talaga. Pero hanggang ngayon naman, iniingatan pa niya din. Pero syempre, parang ako na yung nagpapatuloy eh.
Yes.
Parang gano'n na.
Oo, syempre.
Nakakalabasan.
Ikaw lang naman yung lalaki, di ba?
Ako lang yung lalaki. Wala namang anak si Tito na lalaki.
So ulit yung kanina, so yung gumagawa kami nung cinematics nung palabas niya, lumabas yung tito niya, si paring Jun. Si Jun is yung kapatid ni Marc. So sakto, nakita niya yung Evo ng kapatid niya. So yeah. Sige, ikot na lang muna tayo. Meron pang tao. Ano eh? Classic.
Dalawa nang gumamit ng manibela. Oo, ito nga. Ayaw mo nang gumamit ito.
What's up guys? So ganito pala yung feeling to ride in an Evo. Diba yung feeling? I swear to God. You can't explain the feeling unless you actually rode on one.
Parang kahit hindi siya na-intent ng gano'n, wala magiging problema eh. Kapit lahat ng loob. 4-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, diba? Siyempre.
Yun yung pinakamasarap nito. Yan tayo muna. Try muna natin. Hindi lang eh.
Pala no. Shit! Oh my god! Suave. To be honest, ang sarap. I swear to God, guys. First time on an Evo, boosted pa, with Zander inside. Paring Mark, if you're watching this, salamat. Damn.
Dito mahirapan pa tayo.
Alright, so we're gonna do one more pull. Oh shit!
Sarap sa mga liguan din eh.
All-wheel drive, baby.
Yun na. Nice ah.
Suave.
Ah.
Woo! So safe. Four-wheel disc brake, Brembo brakes, all-wheel drive, Zander inside. Woo! Safe na safe.
Saan tayo bro? Bakit na ulit?
Hindi, bababa ako dito, may gagawin lang akong shot.
Sige.
So dito, ibaba mo ko
Saan
dito.
tayo? Pwede na tayo dito no?
Tapos, manggagaling ka doon, hataw ka dito para may shot ako na andito ako.
Sige okay.
That's how you guys do some vlog, yo. Check it.
Babad ako.
Sige.
Dito ka, tao.
Di ba nakaganon lang ako? Nandito lang ako. Hataw ko lang doon. Para lang kita ka na dumaan na ganun.
Malayo pa naman yata ang side na hubs dito.
U-turn ka na lang doon.
Sige.
What's up vlog? Grabe sarap ng Evo, let alone a TME. I would tell you all about it, pero I'm not an expert on an Evo. And yeah, I just want to show you guys how beautiful this thing is. Just wow. Just wow.
It's such an amazing feeling seeing this car roll down the street, let alone a TME. According to an online Evo registry, there are only less than 5,000 units of the TME built worldwide, and less than 1,000 of them were built in left-hand drive. And one is right here in Batangas. The TME is a limited production variant of the Lancer 6 GSR that was first introduced in 1999 to celebrate Tommi Mäkinen's fourth consecutive driver title in the World Rally Championship.
Muntik na maiwanan. What's up vlog? So we're gonna get a drink. Chill muna kami with Tommi. 7-Eleven. Ito Japan vibes kaya swabe dito sa spot na to. Zander. Japan vibes, yo. Let's go with cinematics. So we just recently found out na super rare nung bumper nito kasi meron ka picture nung ano,
Ay wait.
kasi kadalasan iisa lang yung fog lamps as per Google,
Ito.
di ba? Oo.
Hindi, kahit yan.
Kahit saan, di ba?
Oh. Alam naman yan ng mga
Evo fans would know. So ito, napaka-rare ng bumper nito. 2 fog lamps. Damn. I told you guys, sasabihin ko sana all about this Evo, pero I'm no Evo expert, kaya i-enjoy na lang natin. Damn. What's up guys, so that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys like that, and again, I'll see you on the next one. This is Dawg, baby. Y'all already know. Peace out. It's a wrap. Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you.
Salamat. Anybody na gusto mong shoutout?
Ayun, shoutout sa Auto Keep Racing. Tapos sa Buquid family, sa girlfriend ko.
Yes, sir. Peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna head out. Damn. Bye, Evo. Bye, Tommy. Peace, brother.